get rid of all the either two known as the briefcase NGOs who purport to be operating in certain areas of our country. They collect money from donors, the donor community, but in essence it ends up in people's pockets. So the Kenya government is keen to operationalize the act so that we get rid of them, and such entities actually get to benefit the public as it were. And so we are here today to collect their views, and we've started with this northeastern region. Then we'll proceed to the other parts of the country, and the exercise begins today.
We're glad that this thing has at long last come, and you know, the basket for funding is shrinking. You know, the international community is no longer with these Trump regulations and all these things. We want the government to be funding these things, and we are ready to look at transparency and accountability.
Person with disability wasilipe chochote, waweke katika sheria hii ambaye sahi tunatoa maoni yake, wasiweke person with disability wasilipe chochote, ili wao disabled person wafaidike bila Kenya nyingine wafaidike.